Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this kitchen. So we have some pork ribs right here. I'm about to put these together, make them nice and juicy and tender. You hear me? We also have some garlic and herb biscuits. The wife want me to put this together, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that together. And here we go right here. I hope y'all enjoy this video. And don't forget, hit that like button for me. Appreciate you. Okay, so here we go right here. Everything all cleaned up. I pulled the membrane off. We're good. Now it's time to season. Worcestershire sauce, that WS sauce. That Memphis barbecue seasoning. Paprika. Lemon pepper seasoning. Onion powder. Now we'll go ahead and mix it in. Okay, so here we go right here. Nice and seasoned. I'm using vegetable oil. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna flip them over. We only give them like 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And I say this smells so good. This smells real good. It's like these days, it's hard to find beef ribs. And then when you find them, they don't want to give you $1 worth. Crazy. And they be real small. Lord. I guess I'm gonna have to go to Costco or something. Go shopping at Costco. I'm gonna put the top on this bad boy. Let it do its thing for a little while longer, for another couple minutes. And then we're gonna throw it right in the oven. I still have another batch that I have to, sear, give it a nice color on each side. But we're gonna do that off camera. I don't want to hold y'all too long because I don't want you to get bored. You know what I mean? Y'all get bored. Like, this man always cooking. Appreciate y'all though. Yeah. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. We'll add a little bit of barbecue seasoning to the onions. Boom. There we go right there. Nice little sprinkle. Then we'll add some water. There we go, a half a cup of water. We good, we just go ahead and wrap this bad boy up. Oven preheated to 400. I'll see y'all when it's nice and done. Okay, so it's a change of plans. My oven is tweaking. So I switched from my oven to the Ninja Speedy. We're on the air fryer right now. Let's see if these ribs come out tender. The garlic and herb, I don't know about them biscuits. I'm gonna see if I can do them in the air fryer. If not, just go have ribs. That's it. So the ribs is in the air fryer as we speak. I'm not gonna even hold you. This is my next go-to right here. The Ninja Speedy air fryer with them ribs. When I say these bad boys is nice and tender, man, they're so tender, they going crazy. So y'all gonna see more of this, you know what I mean? I have to, take it out of retirement. So we back on the back in the kitchen with the Ninja Speedy. Okay, so here we go right here. We're gonna add our bulleye barbecue sauce. And covered all that up. Yeah. All right, so that's how we looking. Now we'll go put it on for 1 minute. My bad. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. And yes, that air fryer back on. Yes, for real. When I say these bad boys is tender, the flavor is going crazy. We ain't even need no barbecue sauce. For real. The biscuits, that could be a different video. But it's all about these good ribs right here. Out that Ninja Speedy air fryer. Get the job done. Well, got the job done. You know. Don't sleep on it, y'all. Don't sleep on it. But I did my thing in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.